Did you complete your graduation in computer science? Did you complete your graduation in last 2025?
Are you a computer science graduate? Are you from a small town? Do you live with your parents? Are you the eldest in your family? Do you enjoy meeting new people? Are you comfortable speaking in English? Do you like to work on computers? Are you a quick learner? Do you have leadership qualities? Are you a team player? Did you study in an English medium school? Did you score well in 10th standard? Did you take science in 11th and 12th? Did you enjoy learning programming in school? Did you participate in school competitions? Did you complete your graduation in computer science? Did you study in a government college? Did you attend all your lectures regularly? Did you do any project in your final year? Did you score above 70% in your degree? Do you know C, C++, or Python? Do you like working on software development? Do you enjoy problem solving? Have you built any website or app? Have you done any internships? Do you want to pursue higher studies? Do you want to work in the IT industry? Are you preparing for job interviews? Do you want to improve your communication skills? Are you looking for growth in your career?